What's up, baby? Right. So now we're gonna take off this fucking casing. Before we do that, don't be scared. Why are you scared? Before we do that, we're gonna move this fucking guy. Alright. We want to move this out of the way to get this casing off, because this is in the way. And all you want to do is move it to the side. And I have to loosen this up as well. Just loosen it. Just so we can get all them bolts out. And you're going to need a 1/4 inch to get in there. Alright. Get it. First, we don't want to use a gun. We want to crack them loose. This guy. Alright. Crack them all loose, then hit them with the gun. Take them all out. Alright. I'll see you guys when I'm done opening this motherfucker. Peace. All your bolts in one spot where you know you're gonna be. Don't fucking lose these. One bolt can make a leak. Alright. Switch out. Save this gasket's new. I'm saving this gasket. Alright guys, here it is. The KOSO plate, clutch plate. Seems pretty fucking solid. And you got the fucking sex machine, fucking 60% springs. You know, they're fucking hard. I don't know what the fucking OEMs feel like, but oh yeah, let's put these fuckers in. And also got a gasket for backup. You know, gotta always have fucking backups. Okay, so they're a 10mm. We might have to use the gun to back these out. Let's break these loose. Break these loose. Use the fucking gun. And then by hand, tweak these. Same size. Look at the difference. So yeah, so we're just gonna pop one out, put the new one in, pop one out, put a new one in, changing all these. So it does not matter what way they fucking go. They're all the same up, down, so yeah. What I'm doing right now is I'm going 1/4 out of turn. Alright, so they're at that point of being tight. So you're gonna go ahead and snug them up. You don't want to go too tight with these. For the bearing, we're just gonna get a little bit of oil. Put it on there, see if it slips right on. If not, I'm gonna throw it in the freezer. But it should slip right in there. If not, I'll throw it in the freezer. Still cocked. There we go. And boom, she's in. Once you hear that click, you know it's in, and you're good to go. Alright, sweet. Now, time to assemble. Guys, I cannot tell you how fucking excited I am to go test drive this. Oh my god, what a fucking 100% change. So stiff. So stiff I can't even get my pinky. Maybe I'm just a weak motherfucker, but woo, that is fucking. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. It's pretty quick and easy tutorial on how to change these springs. It's pretty simple. If you're hands-on, you can pretty much do it all. So yeah, if you guys enjoy this video, please click that thumbs up button, hit that subscribe button, turn that notification bell on. I'll be posting more content. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.